All right, so we're going to take a moment and talk about this little toggle switch right here that's known as the electrical parking brake or the e-brake. All right, so when you're parked on an incline, a lot of people like to engage these or just have them on at all times when they're parked. To enable it, all you have to do is pull this toggle switch up. You can see the lights on now, so that means it's engaged. And you also have another visual point right up there that says park, so it's engaged. Now to deactivate that, all you have to do is put your foot down on the brake pedal and then push this button right in at the same time. Then it automatically releases. You can see it's no longer engaged anymore because the light's off. Then right up there. All right. So you cannot accidentally deactivate this because the safety is going to be the brake pedal, right? So if my foot's not on the brake, I push the button, it won't let you do that action. But we have a cool little auto release. So if I get my seatbelt here, I plug this bad boy in, right? We're in park right now. The brake's on right now. Let's shift to drive. Look at that. And it auto releases right there. We're in drive and we're good to go. Heading the road now. There's a cool tip. So